I'm going now to the English Mass, and I take you with me. We pass like burritos, you know, the famous burritos, and we are going down to St. James Church. I take you with you, and if you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and give a like. And you also can make a donation if you want to support my ministry. You can do that in the description of the channel. There is all the data how you could support if you like. I'm grateful for that, and let's go moving on. We are coming into the sanctuary. It's just before 10 o'clock. You see people come for the Mass. It's very hot. See, they water the plants and the grass. Here you got the information center. You can also, there's a TV screen where you can see all the masses happening today. Then there's the Franciscan Bookshop and souvenir shop where you can get good quality products. There's another souvenir shop here from the Franciscan on this side. Then you have the Parish Office where you can order masses for your dear beloved loved ones. And I go here now with you. Let's go together. Here we come to St. James Church in the morning. There was just at 9, there was the German Mass, people coming out now from the German Mass. I'm going to park my bicycle. It's already very, very hot, which is super nice here. You have like this place where the pilgrims can get some water, cool water, good tasting. And over there we have Our Lady. Isn't she beautiful like always? Oh, I'm in the shadow under the trees. It's very cool suddenly. That is good. You see they have the water here. They drink the water. You have to because it's already so hot. And I leave you with this beautiful view on St. James Church and the pilgrims. Have a beautiful, joyful day wherever you are. As I said, subscribe to the channel, share the video and give a like. And if you like support my ministry, you can find in the description of the video the ways to support it. Thank you so much from the heart. I pray for you, and please pray for me as well, because I love this ministry and I want to keep on doing it. Have a good day. Bye bye.